So let's go across to the Prime Minister there, in fact, addressing a convocation at the MGR University in Tamil Nadu. Let's listen in.
Of women were dear to him. A few years ago, I had been to Sri Lanka, where MGR was born. India is honored to be working for our Tamil sisters and brothers in Sri Lanka in the health sector. A few ambulance services financed by India is being widely used by the Tamil community. I can never forget the inauguration ceremony of hospital at Dikoya. This is a modern hospital that will help many. These efforts in healthcare, and that too for the Tamil community, would have made MGR happy. Students, friends, this is the time when you will transition from one important phase of your life to another. This is the time when you will transition from learning to healing. This is the time when you will transition from earning marks in your exams to making a mark in society. Friends, the COVID-19 pandemic was a completely unexpected occurrence for the world. There was no preset formula for anything. In such a time, India had not only made a new path, but also helped others walk with it. India has among the lowest death rates. Recovery rates are high. India is producing medicines for the world and making vaccines for the world. You are graduating at a time when there is a great aspirations and respect for Indian medical professionals, scientists, and pharma professionals. Overall, the Indian health ecosystem is being seen with new eyes, new respect, and new credibility. However, this also means that the world will have greater expectations from you, which is a responsibility on your young and strong shoulders. The learning from the pandemic can help us fight other diseases like TB as well. Friends, Tiruvalluvar said, the ailing, the doctor, the medicine, and the caregiver. The treatment covers all these four. Throughout the pandemic and in the middle of disruption, each of these four pillars were at the forefront of fighting the war with the unknown enemy. All those who fought the virus emerged as the heroes of humanity. Friends, we are transforming the entire medical education and healthcare sector. The National Medical Commission will bring great transparency. It will also rationalize norms to set up new medical colleges. It will also improve the quality and availability of human resources in this sector.
Right there, the Prime Minister, in fact, addressing that convocation at MGR universities, virtually, of course, addressing that convocation and saying that there are several learnings which have taken place over the last 1 year, especially with regard to the pandemic.